When people discover passion, they've come upon something rare. This fervor they have in common will shelter them anywhere. Though the rest may be rough, with such passion to share, I think they have more than enough to make a marriage, if we dare.
You are proposing?
No. Yes. I do not mean today, or tomorrow, or even next month. A year maybe, 2 even. I am a patient man.
I won't be sweet, won't be demure.
This I prefer, this I adore.
I'll speak my mind, you can be sure.
I'll be enchanted to the core.
If I say let me share your small umbrella,
I'll say who cares if we get wet.
we'll be as different as a husband and a wife.
No, we'll be different as a woman and a man.
We'll fight our way through life.
We'll disagree the best we can.
And yet,
You'll make me smile, you'll make me laugh, you'll make me care. How can I explain inside my heart I feel a pain when you're not there? Though we are not at all alike,
you make me feel
alive.
yes, we have that in common.
That one small thing in common. Our love is like a small umbrella in the rain.